Hey y'all, it's your friend E, and in today's video, I'm sharing more Walmart clearance finds with you. I'm done shopping my Walmart clearance for a while. I've found so many awesome items. I need to tell you guys about it so you can go and see if your store has it. So I'm going to have to break these videos into I don't know how many parts. But this one, I'm going to show you the items that I found that are, I think, $3 and $2. Some of the items I'm not keeping. I'm just buying them as gifts to hold for birthdays or for Christmas. I found this Disney Encanto set for only $3 at my Walmart, and it has the majority of the characters. I think her parents are missing, but it's just displayed so beautifully in the packaging. It looks like they're inside of the house, and you can even see the balcony up here and the doors for each one of the characters from the movie. And yeah, a lot of detail in the packaging itself. And I am not going to open this because I'm going to hold on to this to give as a gift to someone. And here's the barcode for the Encanto set. Next, for $2, I found this Barbie accessory pack. And I did find two of these. So I'm going to open one, and the other one is going to go into my box to save to give as a gift. And here's the barcode for the accessory pack. In the accessory pack, you get a pair of gray sunglasses. These are really nice. An orange sun visor. A cell phone. A gold necklace. A purple bracelet. A orange fanny pack or a belt purse. You get one ticket. Looks like it's to the fair. A green camera. And it has a long strap. A yellow pinwheel. And a pair of red boots. Also for $2, I found this Newborn Unicorn Glow Squad, and I was not going to pick this up, but something told me to look it up on Google, and apparently the ball turns into a crib. So for $2, I thought I'd give it a shot. And here's the barcode for this surprise ball. So I got the paper off, and one side of the ball is intact, so you have a full half, but the other side is divided into 3 compartments. So here's what it looks like open. You have this one half here, and then you have the 3 smaller parts. And you get a collector's guide. The instructions for the crib are actually on the collector's guide. In one of the smaller compartments, I found the legs for the crib. And I have mine put together, and it was pretty easy to do. And it does rock. Here's a closer look at it. And in this set, I got this green blanket. Looks like horseshoes on it. You get a baby bottle. And I think these are clothes and a flag. And here's our baby. The helmet, I guess you have to put it together. And we have a little baby unicorn. So here's our little baby astronaut unicorn. It's really cute. Has on his little astronaut costume. And the visor can move up and down to reveal a closer look at his face. Also for $2, I found this World's Smallest Micro Minis and Comics. And I think this is the retro set because I see the Care Bears. And looks like some Barbie, Thundercats, and My Little Pony. And there is a collection of these where the packaging is white and blue. And I think those are still regular price right now. And here's the barcode for this item. You get a collector's guide, and this is a really big collector's guide. And it's filled on both sides. And your mini comes in a bag. It looks like we got a Barbie. So you get a Barbie magazine, and it does have pages in it, and you can actually read those pages. And to help you read the pages, you actually get a magnifying glass. So it does work. And here's our Barbie. She is the iconic Barbie in the black and white swimsuit. And I do have a world's smallest in this doll, but it's bigger than this. And it's probably because this one is the micro minis. It's really nice packaging. It's thick plastic. On the back is the collector's number, and there's a little door to get to your figurine. So you can take her out and put her back in when you're done. I did pick up a second one of those for me, so I'm going to open this one also. And in this one we have a My Little Pony. So we get our magnifying glass, and we get our comic book with actual pages inside. And here's our pony, and we got Pinkie Pie. Really cute. And like the Barbie, she can come out. On the back side, it shows the collector's number and some pictures of some ponies. So guys, I want to show you this packaging again because the red and white ones are the ones that are $2 at my store. And there is a blue one that is just like this. It's the same size and it's regular price. But there's also a blue one that's shorter. And I have this one in my $1 pile. So I checked my receipt and I did pay $1 for the shorter one. So here's a look at the outside of this one. Again, some retro toys on it. And here's the barcode. So you get a collector's guide. And you get a pretty big bag, but it seems like there's only not much in it. So let's open it up. So I got a little troll, and this is the one from the 80s. It looks nothing like the ones that are out right now in stores. So my friends, those are the $2 and $3 and one $1 item that I found at Walmart clearance this week. And I will do all of the $1 items in a separate video. And then I still have some other dolls that I found. And there are a few that I left on the shelf. So I'll insert some pictures right here. The prices you're seeing on the screen right now are what the Walmart app gave me for my local store for each item. So if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.